Fractions on a Number Line by Brandon
and Eli. I'm going to teach you how to make a number line into fours. First, since 4 is an equal number, you're going to put a line right in the middle. And then on each side of the middle, you're going to put one more line. All the lines are about equal to each other. Right here, that number mark is 0 out of 4. At this mark, there is 1 out of 4. At this mark, there is 2 out of 4, also known as 1/2. At this mark, there is 3 out of 4. And at this mark, there is 4 out of 4, also known as 1 whole.
Now, I will be showing you how to split a number line into 6 equal parts. First, like Eli, since it is an even number, we can cut it in half. Now, this is a little bit harder. Now we need to cut 2 of them. So that way, there's 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's label it. Right here is 0 out of 6, also known as 0/6. Right here is 1/6. Right here is 2/6. Right here is 3/6, also known as 1/2. Right here is 4/6. Right here is 5/6. And finally, right here is 6/6, also known as 1 whole.
Now I'm going to teach you how to make a number line into 8 equal pieces. 8 is an equal number, so you put a line in the very middle. Then, since 8 is bigger than 6, you're going to put 3 in each half of the line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to label the points. This point is 0 out of 8. This point is 1 out of 8. This point is 2 out of 8. This point is 3 out of 8. This point is 4 out of 8. Or you can just label it 1/2. And then at this point, there is 5 out of 8. At this point, there is 6 out of 8. At this point, there is 7 out of 8. Finally, at this point, there is 8 out of 8, also known as 1. You just leave it off 1 because that means 1 whole, which is the whole thing together.
Now, I will be making a number line, but this time I will be cutting it into 10 equal pieces. So first, since it's an even number, like all of the numbers we've done so far, cut it in half. Now, we have to do 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 10 equal pieces all together. So we need to label 3. we can label right now 1/10 as D. So 1/10 right here would be 1/10. So we would label it as D. Now we can do half. And we can label half as A. So half would go right here, A. And lastly, we can do 1/2 as B. I just labeled these fractions. So now 1/10 is D, 1/2 is A, and 1/2 is B. But still, D resembles 1/10, and still A resembles 5/10, and still B resembles 10/10.
This is a number line divided into 6 equal parts. I'm going to label 3 parts. At this mark is 1/6. This mark is 4/6. This mark is 2/6. Now I'm going to show you two equivalent fractions to 2 of the problems. One equivalent fraction to 4/6 is 8/12. Because it's called the double rule. Because if you do 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's why there's 8 at the top. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. That's why there's 12 at the bottom. So equivalent fraction to 4/6 would be 8/12. And an equivalent fraction to 1/6, if you think about it, is 2/12. Because again, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 6 plus 6 is 12. And those are 2 equivalent fractions to the problems.
Now, this is a blank number line. I'm going to show you how to make 1/3 out of just this blank, nothing on it, number line. Now, of course, it's not going to be exactly equal because it's not like we have any rulers by us or anything. So let's just try to see. So right here looks pretty close to 1/3. So we would try to find 1/3, which is like right next to 1/2. So this looks pretty good for 1/3. Now we need to find 2/3. 2/3 is like a little bit after 1/2. So now we label 2/3. And then, of course, this last line is, of course, 3/3. Also known as a whole.
I'm gonna show you how to find 6/8 on a blank number line. So you know, because of the past, that 4/8 is the middle. And then if you do 2 more 8s, it would be somewhere around here, which would be 6/8, which is the number we were looking for. And now we have found it.
Now, unfortunately, that was all we could teach you today. So maybe we may have another review for you later. I hope you enjoyed and
Hope you like it.
thanks for watching.